In the last year of pandemic, millions of people use the internet to order groceries, household supply and other goods they are typically purchasing in person. Our phone and laptop become online mall. But for some peoples, online shopping easily transforms from a convenience strategy into an excessive addiction. There is no official statement making shopping addiction as a disorder, but the professionals know there is something problem. Online shopping addiction is more than spending a bit too much time browsing the web. It's the constant and overwhelming urge to shop. And many people report that they rarely or never use the bought item. And many people just scroll and spend time viewing items and don't even purchase them. The pleasure of buying Adidas shoes, Nike clothes and kitchenware is predictably awesome. But shortly after they make a purchase, they often feel really bad. The shame and disappointment is another hallmark of an unhealthy habit. And it feeds the habit. It's the reinforcing cycle. You feel good, then you feel bad, so then you want to feel good again and you go for shopping again and again and again. This compulsive buying is often came with emotion like loneliness, depression and anxiety. A person may turn to shopping because they are unable to deal with some stress in their life or to boost their own sense of self. But it can also begin with a more neutral state of mind like boredom. The underlying principle is that humans seek to enhance their mood, and in a year of isolation and uncertainty, many and more in need of coping mechanism than ever before. Now, how to overcome this? For some, a simpler do-it-yourself strategy may be sufficient. Psychiatrists favor a mindful approach. First, they recommend reflecting on their own behavior and whether you are buying things you don't need. Next, you need to identify what triggers you to shop. Is it somewhere you feel alone or whenever you see your laptop? Some trigger like a shopping app you can quickly remove from your life. Other can't. Like you are not going to throw away your laptop. You are going to have to learn how to use laptop but not engage in excessive purchasing. Face the problem boldly. It's about opening up your laptop, going to Amazon, look at the thing you want, letting yourself feel that discomfort and just sit with it and be very mindful. Then find a healthier way to fill that psychological void. Call a friend, go for a run, read a book, practice a hobby. All this can relieve the emotional problem that fuel your shopping addiction. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.